Do you know what this meter is?
Multimeter.
Maybe you don't know. You don't know.
To check current.
What does it do?
Check current.
Meter say measure current.
Almost true.
Menglish.
Sabah English.
Sabar.
Different like different.
Wire.
Bunyi nanti.
Oh my English. Ya, broken down.
Elok lah.
You connect like this and the current will be measured. Like this.
Kita tak ada kaya dia tak.
Kalau ada kali flash.
Kau electrical boy ke?
Check.
You see the test current 26 ampere.
Letak tengah masuk itu tu. Lagi sekali. One more time.
Dapat.
Oh, macam tu je.
Tu current ni.
That's the current.
It's the current flowing here.
Oh.
Cuma dapat tu.
Dia punya mekanisme.
Macam mana boleh detect benda yang kat
So, Rifah tanya Mr. Vance, what is the mechanism of the
This one.
Straight capacitor lah.
Capacitor tu. Aplikasi kan.
Kau jangan Jangan menyesal nanti kau.
So let's go back to physics.
Okay, physics. Okay.
A wire carrying a current has a magnetic field around it.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Electromagnetic.
This is metal.
Okay.
Of course, put stick here, metal inside.
Okay.
Will pick up the magnetic field here.
Uh-huh.
And here there is a winding here. It's not the winding is not like that. It's
Oh,
like that.
circle around. Okay.
Actually, this is a complete metal loop. There's another here. Cannot see. But I think this one the winding is here.
Oh.
So this metal will pick up the magnetic field,
Uh-huh.
and then that winding will convert that magnetic field to current, and that current is displayed here.
Okay.
So that's how it works.
Magnetic field lah.
Yeah, pick up the magnetic field, convert to current. So the same like that.
Dia punya accuracy
You
sama
clamp
je.
it into one wire only.
Kalau ganti senang lah. If two wire, tapi biasa tak ada. Same.
For example, this is one wire, right? This is the direction of the current.
Okay.
Of course, the current will go to the load and return.
Okay.
These two currents are in opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Understand.
Magnetic field has direction also, north and south. So you learned that one. Right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Soft to move.
So the north and south direction of the magnetic field will cancel each other.
Uh-huh.
Or we can say also these two currents will cancel each other.
Okay.
Can be like that. So what will be displayed here is zero.
Plus minus.
Oh, kalau kelang dua.
There is current, but since they are in opposite direction, they will cancel each other. Can it be demonstrated here? Current goes here. Can it goes here? It's another direction, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Kosong.
Kosong.
Let's go.
AC.
Tak kan lagi.
AC. There is current. It's zero.
Oh. Because of konsep dia tu lah tadi.
Macam
Sebab
dia lawan
dua
balik.
lawan balik.
Correct.
Okay, faham.
Physics. So that's how it works.
Tu dah masuk zero.
Maksudnya kalau ada amount, maksudnya ada leakage.
Zerowing tu macam tear dekat big. Tear dekat big.
Macam blok batu.
Okay, let's watch this video. Exactly the same like that. this is the circuit diagram. This is the clamp meter. Okay, this is my
Zero wing tu
coffeeter.
kosongkan balik tu macam
Until now, we still have it. Representing the medical equipment, the coffee. There's water in it. So this is the clamp meter. So neutral and live, right?
Yes.
Neutral is blue.
Oh.
So that's the current for the current of the heater, 4.6. Current of the live is, of course, the same. Clamp them to both because they are in opposite direction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equal and opposite direction. So they subtract each other. Subtract. Differential.
Ini yang belajar semalam.
Okay, now let's create a leakage.
Oh.
Leakage will flow outside the equipment, right? It flows outside, goes to ground. Like this. There's a bulb here. You cannot see the bulb, but you can see it light. So this will be the created leakage. Let's measure that one without measuring it. Let's just measure this. I think the light is on already. Anyway, we will repeat this one. I connected the lamp already. I click there. So this current is the current flowing to the lamp. 0.4. But did we measure this? We did not. Our measurement is this one. When we created the leakage there, the current here is already 5, no longer 4.6. Because we added 0.4, the leakage of the lamp. We added.
Masuk leakage kat situ.
Subtract this to, what is it?
Masuk leakage kat
0.4.
situ. Sambungkan
But we did not mathematically subtract it. It's just the magnetic field subtracting each other.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, 6. There's no leakage yet, so they are equal. They are equal, that's why it's 0. I put the clip there. We see the light.
Tinggal
here.
tarik lagi ya. Dia letak satu klip untuk wire lampu. Dia nak test lah.
Ada kan?
Tu
And
lah
that's the
leakage
current
dia.
through the bulb.
That's mean the leakage current.
Yes,
The leakage current that flow through the bulb.
the bulb.
Okay. Okay.
I intentionally created the leakage
Okay.
current, right?
Oh,
Okay.
Goes to ground. It's a leakage current.
Cek. 0.4.
So understood now how differential method works. Difference means subtraction. And of course, there is no clamp meter inside this. What you have is only a sensor. Sensor. Live and neutral inside it. Like the clamp meter, right? Live and neutral. So this is the differential sensor. Main current sensor. This is for model 615, for model 620. See that one? Differential current sensor. Then live and neutral inside, like the clamp meter.
Like
So that's how it works. Differential. No question. Let's demonstrate here.
Yes, yes.
So,
Micro A. Oh, my mask case is standard. You select 62353. Select. Then micro A. So you have the 3 methods here. Direct, differential, alternative. So direct method is already selected. How is the connection?
Very.
Connection. We are talking about connection.
Open.
Connect the applied part. Connect the non-earth. The ground is already connected here.
Oh.
But normally we do like this. It's a bit of confusion because the clip is now for measuring earth leakage also. Unlike in the 60601, you don't need the clip to measure earth leakage. But now you need the clip to measure earth leakage. So we connect this to the test point of the ground. Yeah. So what's happened to the non-earth?
Tadi 9 Earth. The one before that you put is 9 Earth. And then now is ground.
But I must connect the non-earth because the non-earth is included in the equipment leakage. Right? Equipment leakage, there are 3 leakages. Applied part,
Black part,
earth, and non-earth.
9 Earth.
So which means I must connect non-earth also.
Ada dua.
Sebab dalam equipment leakage kan ada 3 test. So bila kau buat test untuk standard 62, 53 tu, kenalah connect 3 tu. Faham tak? Tadi punya test guna standard 601 tu. Boleh lah kau cabut. Sekarang sebab guna standard yang tu, so semua kena connect. Macam tu.
I connected the non-earth already.
Oh, connect the non-earth to the ground. Macam ni.
Untuk buat equipment test.
So this is the leakage, 189, all combined leakage. So we don't need, oh this is AC only, so I'll select AC plus DC. See? So easy to know if this is really all the leakage. Right? Try removing this. This will be lower, right? If you remove the non-earth. 137. Because we remove one leakage, the non-earth. They say if you remove the applied part, you remove the patient leakage. From that, you remove the patient leakage. So it will be lower. You want to remove the earth leakage, remove the clip. So that's that. It's all the leakage combined, the 3 leakage.
I have question.
Yes.
So for the class 2 medical device,
Plus 2.
class 2 medical device, there's no grounded.
Yes.
So the connection
The connection is
only has 2.
the clip will be at the accessible conductive part of the class 2 or the enclosure of the class 2. So, okay, assuming this is a class 2. So,
Okay.
from that point, so it will be here.
Oh,
The
then so
Nine Earth.
there's no grounded part.
But there's no grounding.
Betul lah.
22.1. Oh, it's in reverse polarity. Anyway,
Class 1 Class 1
145 normal polarity. That is direct measurement, so differential. Differential, the same connection. Yeah, plus 1. Plus 1. Micro A, select differential, and of course turn on the machine.
Okay, differential
And
tadi
just read.
live dengan
That's it. Alternative, I didn't explain yet. Explain first. So this alternative method. Where's the power cord of the medical equipment?
What is the power cord?
Still there, right? Where is the power cord of the safety analyzer? This diagram. None.
None. Why then?
It's not shown here, but this one goes to the power cord of this.
Okay.
So for direct method and differential method, the power of the medical equipment will come from the mains.
Analyzer.
The mains, right?
The means. Okay.
For alternative method, the power of the medical equipment is
All.
Provide.
where's it coming from?
Analysis.
Alternative.
None.
None.
No power for the medical equipment. What this analyzer will do, it will just send a test voltage. Test voltage. This voltage, this symbol,
Yelah sebab external source.
which can be either generated or using a transformer. This flow uses a transformer.
This
Other brand I don't know. I have not opened the equipment yet, the other brand. But flow I have opened and know what's inside. So this flow, this is a transformer. It's a small transformer like this, which will generate the test voltage. Connect this test voltage to the mains. What is mains again? Live and neutral. Live and neutral. So that test voltage, of course, it goes inside the equipment, and there's a current that will flow because the insulation inside is not perfect. Everything, why there is a leakage, why all the reasons. That test voltage will create a current because of the leakage inside the equipment. Of course, it will come out there, come out here, come out here, then measured by the analyzer itself. This one. What did we remove here? We just removed the 230 volt source. We removed it. And we substituted with this. Another voltage.
Internal generated.
That's why this leakage is not accurate because we substituted the voltage. It's not the voltage from here anymore. But anyway, the requirement of IEC 62353, this voltage must be the same, but not exactly the same, the actual. Let's see this video. Because safety analysis generates the voltage. We can see the voltage by measuring it. The current of that voltage source is around 3.8. We can measure this by measuring it. So this is a video. Alternative method. This is the mains voltage 240 plus. This is the voltage here. So alternative method. What is the voltage coming out here? 237. It's not the same voltage coming here. Plus another video. Look at the current. Alternative method. See the current close to this, the specs. That's it. Understood already. Oh, didn't understand. That voltage, we have measured it, we have seen it. The maximum current, we have seen it in the video.
Tadi tu what? Okay, tapi tadi dua tadi buat satu apa?
Kalau di mix dengan satu lagi dia test pakai
I think about 20 minutes more.
source. Satu lagi pakai machine tinggi.
The break time will be late. So, easy to demonstrate. Just select micro A and select alternative. There's an instruction like here, post test to generate this, to turn on this one. Post test to apply voltage. So that voltage. That's the leakage, 194.6.
Lagi sekali. One more time, Mr. Benson.
One more time, just press one more time, like this.
Okay. Explain it one more time. Demo it one more time.
Of course, micro A,
Oh, okay.
and you select alternative.
And then push test.
This instruction, post test. The connection is still the same.
Okay.
Combine all the connections.
Okay.
Push test. Yeah, 104.7. Before you ask a question, I will answer. Do not compare the three leakage, direct, differential, and alternative. Don't compare.
Don't compare.
Do not compare. Different method will give you different reading. And don't compare. Don't say why is it higher in differential, why is it lower. Don't compare.
Okay.
Different method, different inaccuracies.
It's accurate.
This is the least accurate one.
So the most accurate one is the direct.
Direct.
Okay.
Why this test exists?
Tak sebab ni lah. Because of ni medical device tu kita tak tahu dekat mana. Contoh kalau kita kena test dia dekat, contoh X-ray kan tak boleh gerak. Because of X-ray kan tak boleh gerak. So kita buatlah test yang lain macam tu. Contoh direct tak boleh. So gunalah alternate differential. Kalau contoh differential pun kau tak boleh buat dekat test tu.
You want to share something?
Contoh differential pun tak boleh, differential method pun cannot be used. Macam tu.
So the differential and alternative same connection and we just test.
Just press the corresponding button.
Also same like direct
Yes.
connection.
Connection still like that. You combine all.
Siapa tahu soalan tu nak tanya macam ni. How do we macam tentukan method ni nak guna untuk satu device tu.
Nak tanya.
Okay.
How do we determine to
Which method is
choose
the
which
best?
method to
I
check
should ask you that right.
Aku dah cakap dah. Itulah jawapan
I should
dia
ask
tadi.
you that you discuss in the theory.
Dia ikut device tu macam mana dia dipasang.
No, those are the results.
Malah macam
Tu.
Of course, you discuss this. I'm just repeating. You want accuracy? Use direct method. Most accurate, less accurate. Yeah.
Terus kenapa benda tu exist?
Malam
tak
ni
guna.
buka table aku bincang balik.
Boleh. Tak masalah.
Differential method. There is a disadvantage. You cannot measure the DC leakage.
Okay, faham.
AC leak.
Kalau kita nak.
So how about if the leakage is DC and is very high?
Kalau get
You miss it. Very high. For example, very high fail.
Okay.
Then you will not able to measure it because it measures AC only.
Yalah
Differential.
tu tak payah delete it.
So AC plus DC.
Macam tu lah.
If the equipment has a software switch, what is a software switch? Do not use alternative method. Why? By the way, what is software switch first?
The switch, the on off switch on the screen. No. No.
Not necessarily on the screen.
Oh.
It can be on the screen. It cannot be. Can be anywhere in the machine. Software switch. We'll give you some example.
Virtual switch.
Virtual switch.
Aku tanya cikgu.
What is this?
Switch.
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 Software or hardware? What is this switch?
Hardware.
Hardware switch. It's a laptop. What's this?
Hardware.
Software switch.
Sebab dia macam ni,
Sebab?
masukkan dalam tu on off.
Oh, bateri macam.
Macam software tu yang on
We
off.
don't know the
So,
answer.
kena tu jadi pakai.
How we need to determine
That's later on discuss. What is it? It's a patient monitor, this switch.
Software.
Software.
Sebab ada satu tekan
If you read later, what is this switch?
hardware.
software.
Software.
Sebab dia buka skrin.
Bukan.
Ni pun ada screen.
Kalau macam ni,
This is a blood gas analyzer. What is this switch?
Hardware.
Okay. This power switch.
Software.
Software.
So what's the difference?
Ah.
That's the difference.
hardware so
Dengan ada power live.
Physical disconnection of
Oh.
the power. It will cut the power source. Hardware switch. This one will cut the live wire. Right? This one will cut the live wire and neutral.
Maksudnya
Maksudnya
kalau
kalau
kita
software
connect
punya
laptop,
The software switch
laptop kan
there is
bunyi,
already
laptop kat
power.
sini. Lepas tu kalau on kan ni software lah.
Software switch there's already power.
Power ada lagi, power ada kat laptop.
Laptop you cannot turn off the power unless you remove the battery. You cannot turn off the power. When you turn off the power, it's still on. Same like your phone. Shut down your phone, it's still on.
Faham.
yes.
Still functioning.
software tu hubung kan antara on yang tutup.
You cannot turn off your phone unless you remove the battery.
Benda tu dah masuk.
So those are
Benda tu dah
software.
macam dah ada, dah dalam kabel tu.
Kalau ni shutdown pun
Hidup ni
Dia hidup je.
macam aku je.
So a software switch we just send instruction to a controller.
Macam dah faham tadi.
There is always
yang aku
a
faham.
software switch needs power to operate.
Tengok CPU tu kan.
Ah.
Kalau tak cucuk hitam tu CPU tak hidup.
Ah,
Tapi kalau tak on tu
Sekarang
Ah,
hidup.
Power supply ada.
Bateri.
Tapi
So for the soft switch, it's only exist when the equipment has battery.
oh dia apa tu?
No, some equipment don't have battery but they have software switch.
For example,
For example, that hematology analyzer. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, dia tak ada bateri. Kiranya dia ada dua kot.
It doesn't have battery,
But
but it has software switch.
dia transfer ke dalam.
Okay, malam ni kita macam mana?
Anyway,
Dia nak potong.
pas lagi tu luar biasa.
Dia macam dia ada power, dia ada power lagi tapi dia tak on macam tu.
bawah kanan. Bawah kanan.
Bawah kanan.
Command.
PPU. Okay.
Macam coding.
So what to remember is a software switch needs power. That's why don't use alternative because alternative does not give power to the medical equipment.
Oh.
Go back.
Ini boleh lah.
Aku faham.
Lucu kan?
This one does not receive power from the electrical safety analyzer. You see that one? Live and neutral shorted.
Oh.
And this one, the current 3.8. It's not enough to power the medical equipment.
Okay, faham?
3.8 milliampere, so it's small.
Dia tak boleh nak hidupkan mesin tu.
It's enough only to light an LED. You cannot power the medical equipment. And this is the main reason. Shorted, live and neutral. So no power to the medical equipment. So the software switch does not work.
Dia macam faham, dia macam tak faham.
Dia faham bila question bila lain tu tak faham.
Bila lain dia tak faham.
Kena reuse.
So
When do you use differential then? At what condition?
At what condition?
What kind of equipment? You ask Google.
As Google ni.
This one.
Secondary pa.
Patient monitor with 2 pin plug.
Not related at all. What is that? You asking who?
ChatGPT.
You asking Mr. Ben?
Class 1 and class 2 device macam kau cakap tadi lah, equipment
I'm
besar.
just curious. What is that? You asking? You're reading from where? What?
Large equipment that
Leonie.
go. We cannot use direct.
Lab equipment?
Large equipment that we cannot use direct method.
What are the equipment? For example?
Equipment. Apa tadi? X-ray. Sekejap. Example.
Okay, before the break time, let's answer this one.
Secondary earth connection.
Secondary earth connection. What is this? I'm sure this is what discussed here. It was discussed.
Extra protective. PE. Extra PE.
So this is the diagram. That is the medical equipment. Power cord. These are portable equipment and small equipment. You agree?
Agree.
Some equipment has water input,
Yes.
which make it not portable anymore. And that water, of course, is connected to ground, to earth. Some equipment has data connection, internet printer. And of course, since these are connected to earth, leakage can also flow there. This is called the secondary path of leakage current, or secondary leakage. This is the earth leakage, right, by definition, to the power cord. Since this is connected to earth, this water and this leakage can flow there. But Malaysians are very good singers, you know. Opera. When they say, oh, it's 1 minute. Yeah. Different tone, high tone,
Dia
low
tekan
tone.
Gini dah macam.
Aku marah ke hal carry.
So kita boleh detect leakage daripada dua tempat. Kan?
The same with pipeline, right? Gas pipelines.
Yes, pipeline.
The same with ducting. Some equipment has ventilation ducting. It is a requirement to connect this ducting to earth. A requirement for installing gas, connect the pipe to earth. Some are connected to the floor, bolted to the floor or to the wall, because these are bigger equipment. All are path of leakage. So these are all secondary leakage. So how do you measure the leakage? Use differential method. Use the clamp meter method. This is called the differential method, right?
Yes.
That's why I put the photo of the clamp. Differential method. Because you cannot measure this leakage. You cannot measure. How? How do you put a clamp meter there? That's not possible. So just subtract the current here. Subtract.
Dia baru nak explain.
So
And you will get all the leakage.
minus the leakage. Lepas tu total leakage tolak dengan ground punya leakage.
Bahasa Inggeris.
What
Example.
example of medical equipment?
Like this.
Yeah.
Secondary.
Autoclave.
Autoclave.
The bigger one, right? The
Yeah,
bigger one,
yeah,
autoclave.
Machine.
Has water input. Sometimes the autoclave is connected to the computer for printing data, so many things has data. Sometimes the autoclave has acetylene input gases. And since the autoclave is hot, they put ducting. Everything already there, just one machine.
Patient monitor.
Bolted to the floor, so patient monitor not likely. It's a portable machine.
MRI.
For example, dialysis machine, water input.
Dialysis machine.
Or a washer machine, washer, endoscope washer for example.
Tapi ada
Pas
idea.
water input.
Tak ada idea.
Bukan. Nak tanya yang lain kan tak semestinya tu. Kalau MRI
How about the bigger X-ray machine? Yes. They are mounted to the floor and to the ceiling.
OT lamp.
What?
Kalau OT lamp,
Yes, OT lamp. They are mounted to the ceiling
yang
because
melekat
our
di
pump
dalam.
leakage.
Tu kira secondary lah.
So maksudnya dia ke bumi tapi dia juga plug.
Dia tak cakap.
Ada tu tempat untuk dia menyebar. Kadang menyebar dah.
Kalau datang.
Tak apa, dia tak faham pasal Melayu.
Mana pun tak.
Okay, back time already. Not yet.
3 minutes more.
Fine.